In this video, I will teach you about AND, OR, and NOT. So let's start this video. So we have this program here. Let's run it. It will ask for our name. For example, I will give Pratik. Welcome to Facebook, Pratik. So it is looking for if name is equal to Pratik, it will say welcome to Facebook, Pratik. And if this is not correct, then it will check if name is equal to Kevin, then it will say welcome to Facebook, Kevin. If none of both them are true, then it will do print this wrong username. Okay. So what if we want to check last name also? For example, we can ask input again for the last name. Let's make it first name. First name. And here we will ask for the input of last name. Okay. And here we will change it of first name to first name. And here we can, how we will check that if both are true. For example, name is equal to Pratik and last name is equal to string. So we can do and. We will check for both. If, and here it will be first name. If first name is equal to Pratik and last name is equal to Singh. So what will happen here? First, let me complete this program. And here last name. So it will check if first name is equal to, first it will ask for the input, first name input, what's your name, and then what's your last name. First name. First it will ask us what is your first name, and we will put our first name, and then it will ask our last name. Then it will check if first name is equal to Pratik and also check if last name is equal to Singh. If both of them are true, it will run this code. Welcome to Facebook, Pratik Singh. Okay. If one of them is wrong, then it could not run this code. It would say wrong username. Okay. Or see if it is Kevin. So let's run it. First write wrong name, Pratik. Title is correct. First name is correct. And last name is wrong, Kumar. So name is not defined. Wait. Okay. For this time we will do this. Comment are used to hide the code. Smut means the code will be not written by Python shell. Okay. Python interpreter. So we will run this. Pratik Kumar. Wrong username. Okay. Because one of this is wrong. It is not Singh. It is Kumar. Okay. So now we will put Singh. First name Pratik. Last name Singh. Welcome to Facebook, Pratik Singh. So this is the use of AND. Okay. So now we see the use of OR. Okay. So instead of first name, we will do name like before. Okay, let me go back here. Okay. And comment this. If we want to check if for example our name can be start with small letter or capital letter. Okay, so we have to check if both are true or not, because someone can type the name, for example Pratik, in capital letter first name capital letter character, or and for example start with the character of small letter first letter. Okay, so we can do like this. If name is equal to small first letter Pratik, or if name is equal to capital first letter Pratik, then run this code. Okay. If any of this statement is true, for example, first letter is Pratik capital or small, for example, small Pratik, capital letter Pratik, any of this is true, it will run this block of code. Okay. So let's start. So we will run, for example, we will start with small Pratik first. welcome to Facebook Pratik, and capital letter Pratik. Okay, Pratik. Welcome to Facebook Pratik. Okay. So this is the use of or. And now we will see the use of not. Okay. So we will go back. And we can do if name is if not name is equal to Pratik. If this is not true, then this will run this block of code. Okay. Welcome to Facebook. And if this is true, welcome to name is equal to Pratik, it will say wrong username. First run it and see. For example, I will type Pratik, wrong username. Because this statement is true, it is equal to Pratik, but we want that if it is not true, okay, not. For example, it is first true, name is equal to Pratik is equal to true, and it will say not true. If not true is equal to false. Okay, if it is false, then it will say welcome to Facebook. And if it is correct, then name is equal to Pratik, it will say wrong username. Let's type another username, for example, Kevin. Welcome to Facebook. Okay. And we can do here, for example, name. Okay, so it will be more cool. Kevin. Welcome to Facebook, Kevin. So this was and, or, and not. Hopefully you have understand it. If you want to build AI application exactly like this, you are in luck. I will teach you this inside my school community. You should click top link in the description. That will take you to my school community where I will hold your hand and teach you how to build AI applications like this on the screen character AI clone from scratch, even if you are complete beginner. And I will also help you deploy it on .com domain or any domain you want. And if you are getting any type of problem, I will directly help you there. And I will even make video solutions for you if you getting any type of problem.